In this video we are doing an unboxing and a review of this dash cam. This is the C550 dash cam from APEMAN and it costs round about £40 to buy, and as always I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So with that, shall we get on with it? Right, let's have a quick look around the box first. So it shows you the model numbers, the C550 dash cam, 1080p front view, 720 rear view, and it's made by APEMAN. Shows you a picture of one of the cameras, that'd be the front one, LCD screen, 1080p there. Shows you some of the features it does: motion detection, loop recording, wide dynamic range, and G sensor protection. And I believe that is, if you have an accident, it records it and puts it into a separate folder so you don't accidentally overwrite it. Let's have a look on the back. Again, it shows you information about the product. 1080p, 170 wide angle, which is very nice, 6 glass lenses, and 2.0 inch LCD screen, and a little bit more information there. So with that, let's do the unboxing. It wasn't sealed, by the way. This is how it turned up. Well, turned up in an Amazon box, but you know, wasn't actually sealed. So look, hello card, and just telling you about themselves. Sign up membership, so you can sign up for something. We are honoured by all trust and encouragement you have placed in APEMAN. So basically they're saying thank you for putting your trust or your pennies into their product. And the manual, so it's in different languages. Looking at that, I will read that later. So that's that. This looks like the main camera with the LCD screen on it. We'll have a look. Yeah, so a 2-inch screen with a camera on it that you can adjust to different settings. Very nice. Little mounting connection there for something. I'm not sure what that is. Might just be an air vent or something. So memory card goes in now. Reset button now, as you can see. What's that? Microphone. Oh right, that's your microphone for picking up voice. And then on the bottom here you have your charger, connection, a rear camera, and GPS. It does have GPS, but I don't think I'm going to use the GPS. But you never know, I might do. So that's the main camera. Move that out of the way. Now you're going to get this thing out. Move that out of the way. That's it. So, accessory pack. Hopefully there'll be another camera in here. Hopefully. So, nice long cable here. Have a quick look. Right, so there's your camera already attached. So that might just come apart. So that might be a short cable and then connects to the longer cable. Yeah, looks interesting. Nicely packaged. Not sure what that says in there. QXT. Don't know what that does. But I'll have a look at some point. With that out of the way. What else you got? Another one. I always looks like your mains. Yep. So this would be to go into here. About there. That goes into your cigarette lighter or your charger. That's easy enough. What else you got in there? Let's get everything out. That's it. So we have some sort of bracket. That bracket must go to there, I would have thought. A couple of stickies, looking at that. So there's 2 sticky pads in there. Very nice. To stick it to the window. That is a reset button in case you need to reset to factory defaults. What's this? Another sticky. That'd probably be for the rear camera. Not sure what the screws are for though. I'm not screwing nothing in. Not if I can help it anyway. That must be for connecting it to a PC perhaps and downloading the video. That's very thoughtful actually. That's a crowbar. Believe it or not, I've had one of these before. So when you're tucking the cables in around your car to make them nice and tidy. You can crowbar it open, take your cables in and close it up again. Very useful that. Did I miss anything? I think that's about it, isn't it? We've got everything. So that is everything you need for installation. Oh, plus the instructions, of course. So that is everything you get in the box, and with that, I'm going to go and set her up and give her a test. Right, I've had a chance to have a look at the video quality and I thought it was pretty good for £40. I wasn't expecting it to be amazing. You have to bear in mind, you're getting 2 cameras, a front one and a rear one, plus all the cabling for £40. So don't expect it to be amazing footage, but for £40 I thought it was pretty good. You could clearly make out number plates during the day on the front and on the rear cameras, and at night time you could clearly make out the vehicles. You couldn't see the number plates, but when you get close enough, you could pick up the number plates. So I was quite impressed with that. Plus the navigation on the menu. The menu navigation was extremely easy for me to do. I had a quick read of the book. Once I figured out how to get into the menu, I set everything up without going in the book anymore. It's really easy, or was for me anyway. I'm not saying it's going to be easy for everyone, but for me, I found it extremely easy. So considering you're getting a whole package for £40, definitely gets my thumbs up. And hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. And if it didn't, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.